match problem 6, we have an application of the average value formula. In this case, for the function x plus 2y over this region R. So again, one of the first things to do is kind of look at this information and translate it into the double integral problem that it represents. So since our region is 0 to 2 for x, this would be the integral from 0 to 2, and for y, the integral from 0 to 1 of our function x plus 2y dy dx. Now the only difference between a standard integral and that average value formula is that at the beginning we're multiplying by 1 over b minus a, so in this case 2 minus 0 times d minus c, so times 1 minus 0. So first evaluating that inner integral will give us x times y, since we're integrating with respect to y here, plus 2 times y squared over 2. And then we'll evaluate that from y equals 0 to y equals 1. So that'll give us x times 1 plus 2 over 2 is just going to be 1. 1 squared is just going to be 1. And then minus 0, minus 0. So we get x plus 1. So now we can evaluate the integral from 0 to 2 of x plus 1, which is the result of that inner integral. And now integrating with respect to x, we would get x squared over 2 plus x evaluated from x equals 0 to x equals 2, which will give us 2 squared over 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So first we evaluated that interior integral, we got x plus 1. Now we've evaluated that outer integral to get 4. So now what we have is 1 over 2 minus 0 times 1 minus 0, or 1 over 2 times 1 times the 4 that we ended up with here. So essentially we have 4 over 2, or just 2 as that average value.